What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Today, we're going to talk about the Google Pixel 6a, guys. Now, it is time. You can go ahead and pre-order your device. The Pixel 6a is available for pre-order, and it is also available for pre-order on Amazon, guys. So I'm gonna put a link down in the description. If you want to pre-order it from Amazon, there'll be a link down in the description, take you right to the pre-order, and you can go ahead and pre-order your device so you can get this good Pixel mid-ranger in hand. Now, I just want to talk today about kind of who this device may be for and may not be for. I know it's a lot of people trying to figure out what they want to do, because you have a 6 Pro, you have a 6, and then you have a 6a. And the 6a is, I call it, A stands for affordable. So I just wanted to talk to you guys and maybe help you make that decision. The 6a basically, guys, is going to have a 6.1 inch screen, so it's for somebody that want the smallest out of those devices, the most minimal setup. Some people like that minimal lifestyle. Minimal is a big thing. If you search YouTube for minimal, it's gonna be minimal everywhere. People like small things, easily pocketable things, especially if you have small hands. So definitely somebody that's looking for a minimal device will like this device. It's coming with that 12 megapixel shooter out the back. Now, guys, you're gonna get some of the, for this price range, for this $400 price range, you're gonna be able to take some of the best pictures in this price range compared to any phone in this price range. You're getting 6 gigs of RAM, and another big thing about this, guys, is if you getting most affordable, most budget devices under an umbrella do not have the same processor as the Pro device. Now, both of these, the Pixel 6 Pro, the Pixel 6, and the 6a have the Tensor chip, so you have a lot of processing power at this price point, way more than any device that you're gonna get. A lot of people say, yeah, $449 is kind of steep for the budget price point, but you getting an in-display fingerprint reader, you getting a new design, guys. That's one thing that I'm glad Google did. They carried on the A series devices, but they also gave it that new style, so you look like you have a Pixel 6. You know, it's in the Pixel 6 lineup. If they'd have brought last year's design to the A series, that would have been just a mess. You actually have a budget phone that looks like the premier flagship device. It has the same processor the flagship device, so it was a really nice pickup for somebody like minimal. Of course, now one drawback is you're gonna have a 60 hertz refresh rate on your screen, but the thing is that may actually save you battery life. Some people may not notice. They may not come from phones that don't have a 120 or 90 hertz display, but at the same time, I understand that everybody wants every option available, but at the same time, look at the price point, guys. So if that's a problem for you, you may have to move up. If it's not a problem for you, you may have to get those savings, save that battery life. Now, this is a 6.1 inch 1080 OLED screen. I think the screen is going to be gorgeous, because even at 1080, I always find OLED screens gorgeous, guys. But definitely a dope, when you think about the options that you get as far as the camera, you're going to get the processor, the in-display fingerprint reader. Now, you're only going to have 60 hertz, and that's cool. Some people don't even notice the difference, guys. But I think you're gonna have a beautiful display, and you're gonna have a nice build to match the rest of the 6 series. So at the same time, guys, I think it's just a pretty cool budget device to have. Now, if you're in that minimal lifestyle and you don't want a big device, I think this is something that you might pick up, or you just may be somebody that's already have a 5A or had a 4A and want to just keep along that A series. It's a dope series for budget devices, guys. It's your man BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I just wanted to drop this because I know the pre-orders is out, and I'm just trying to let you know, but what's the difference between the 6A and the 6. But I'm out. Peace.